This time the Bengal polls are something extraordinary. We are putting in all our effort. Look, just like we are putting in all guns.
Why Rajya Sabha to come and contest in the Bengal polls?
This time the Bengal polls are something extraordinary. Namaskar. We are fighting a battle to reverse about 50 years of a political direction. And therefore everybody is thrown in their lot. We believe this time is the time, it's a moment of reckoning for Bengal. I had to give up my seat, but the others are also taking the plunge.
Do you think the BJP needs to declare a CM candidate earlier on in Bengal?
No. Every place has its own set of circumstances. I think in the BJP in Bengal is part of an old party, but the Bengal unit in a sense is a very new unit. Yes. The same set of standards that you use for a more established the set of circumstances which you use for the more established units may not strictly be applicable here. But that is not to say there is no leadership there. There is a set of leadership. There is a lot of people whose faces are now known and widely accepted in various parts of the country.
Why is it more on leadership?
Look at every day the PM is campaigning. The PM has an image.
I mean, your PM is
PM and Amit Shah is there. And after that, there are people who are doing some local some film stars and other. There are no other big campaigners like that.
You have like Smriti Irani.
Coming, Smriti is very good. Smriti is a star. Believe it or not, Yogi has a mass appeal in certain parts of Bengal.
Because of that, there has been a serious case of infighting in the BJP.
No, it's not because of that. It's also because when you get people from very different traditions coming in, a new question of integration, adjustment, it's a management issue overall. You know, people who've been there for a long time naturally feel sort of rather proprietorial about the whole party. It's a very understandable reaction, and the new people sometimes bring in another different culture which has to be curtailed and modified to suit the requirements of Namaskar. So this is a question of actually getting. Now, overall, given the nature, the newness of the whole thing, the problems are relatively little. There are problems, I will never concede, of actually bringing in different cultures. Many of these people, but what we've got is also a huge burst of youthful enthusiasm. One of the big things here in this part of the world, the rural part, is you'll find a lot of mud houses. Now they might look very pretty and things from the outside, but actually the living conditions are very, very grim, and especially if there is a storm and in the monsoons and everything. So the PM's Awas Yojana, that is which seeks to convert these into Pakka houses. That's a very important thing, along with the water mission, Jal mission, which is there. These are drinking water is a big thing. It's ironic, considering this is a place with such a lot of rain. But you know, there's a water table has gone down, the village ponds are drying up. So these are very, very concrete issues which require. Namaskar! Bhalo থাকবেন! পদ্ম ফুল!
recently there was a bit of controversy around the whole PM Awas Yojana.
Yeah, I don't know about social media, what controversy is.
In the newspaper.
Whatever it is, the point is, here the distribution of the PM Awas Yojana, which is done by the state government. Firstly, they changed the name. Now that's a minor matter. I'm not getting into it. But more than that, it's been so patchy, and it's been dictated by political considerations overall. And there has been some corruption, cut money. Now I personally find it criminal that whatever corruption, ethics or non-ethics of corruption, that these poorest of these people, their money is being, pocketed by others. That I find it morally repugnant.